Welcome to Smart Brain, Grooming Smartness Online Cubic Classes, celebrations of our kids' achievements. In past 10 days, these kids have learned to solve the whole 3x3 cube. It's actually a huge achievement that these two batches learned such a thing, which we are curious since childhood in such a short time frame. These kids are from the age groups of 6 to 15. We are feeling very proud to share the experience and skills of our kids' life to you. I give my hearty gratitude to Bhavna teacher on behalf of Smart Brain for taking pain for achieving such sweet gains. So presenting to you all with our first student and her parents' experience. Nishi.
Hello Nishi, unmute yourself better.
Hello Nishi, you can introduce yourself.
I am Nishi. I study at just from class 10. Good evening everyone. I am Nishi. I just completed my class 10. I am 15 years old and I am from Talgar. Thank you.
Nishi, start kara timer.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, start.
Done. Thank you.
1.18.
One.
Very good, beta.
Thank you.
That was wonderful.
I'm Dr. Ashna, very proud mother of my smart child. Before 10 days, my child didn't have any activity to do in the lockdown. Only sitting at home, studying whole day, she had become very boresome. But due to Smart Brain, she developed curiosity, enthusiasm, eagerness to learn. She learned concentration, and above all, got distance from gadgets like TV and mobile. Now, whenever she's sitting idle, or even if she's taking break during studies, she's always found with her cube. Actually, she learned cube just in only 3 days. Thanks to Smart Brain and Bhavna teacher for grooming my child's smartness along with her memory. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Next one is Pooja. Bhavna ma'am, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Please unmute the student.
Okay. Sir, now Purvi Purvika.
Hello everyone, my name is Purvika Patil. I am studying in 9th standard. I live in Pune.
Okay, Purvika. Purvika, आपका टाइमर स्टार्ट करते हैं. 3, 2, 1, स्टार्ट.
Done.
1.44 बेटा. Very good.
Wow, that was awesome. Better tell your parent to come on the screen. Ah, ma'am.
Hello. Hello everyone.
Experience.
Okay, I am Purvika's mother. Okay. By learning this Rubik cube, she is more concentrating in her studies nowadays, and also she is interesting to solve the cube. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anna, ma'am.
Sir, next is Rishi.
Rishi is there now.
Yes, sir.
Kindly unmute him.
Hello everybody, my name is Rishi Verma. As I am in grade 8 Cambridge School, Aurangabad. I will show you, I will now present my cube in front of you.
Okay, better start.
So, Rishi. Kara start.
हाँ मैम काउंटिंग देना है.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, start.
Yeah.
Cool. That's good.
Done, ma'am.
But then,
1.31 बेटा. Very good.
That was awesome. Beta, ask your parent to come on the screen. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Kindly share
Hello,
your
sir.
thoughts.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks to the Kasat sir and the Bhavna madam. Actually, during the lockdown, we were really having the sorry, हिंदी में बोलता हूँ. During लॉकडाउन के दौरान हम लोग काफी मतलब हरदम सोचते थे कि कैसे बच्चों को एंगेज करें. So then भावना मैडम के थ्रू मतलब पता चला कि ना क्यूब के अंदर मतलब ना वी कैन एंगेज द ऋषि. So thanks to Bhavna madam, really in I believe in 3-4 days, Rishi has learned to make this solve this cube. And I guess ये शायद पहली चीज है कि जो मुझे नहीं आती लेकिन ऋषि को आती है. So really happy to see this thing. Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
That
sir.
was really great. Thanks a lot. Bhavna ma'am,
Yes, sir.
Parth Suryavanshi.
Yes, sir. Partharavanshi.
Thank you, beta.
Bye, beta.
Bye, beta. Parth Suryavanshi.
सर अनम्यूट किया है पार्थ को.
Yes, sir. Hello, everybody. My name is.
Parth, beta, your video is on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 1 second. I'm putting a spotlight. 1 second. Yeah, you can start now, beta.
Hello, everybody. My name is Parth Suryavanshi. I study in class 3. I am of age 9 and I live in Pune. Today I'm going to show you how to I'm going to solve this 3x3 Rubik's Cube in front of you.
ओके बेटा. स्टार्ट करें बेटा टाइम.
Yes, ma'am.
3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट. स्लोली करो बेटा, कोई घाई नहीं है. मैं मिडल मॅच करो बेटा.
मॅम मी क्रॉस करतोय. मॅम काहीतरी ते क्रॉस मध्ये चुकून गेलोय मी.
इट्स ओके. परत एकदा शफल कर आणि परत कर. परत टायमर लावू आपण.
मॅम झालं.
ओके. आता करू स्टार्ट.
ओके मॅम.
3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट.
मॅम डन.
2.22. Very good.
Wonderful. That was wonderful.
Yes.
Okay, बच्चा लोग don't get this tense. Parth, ask your father to come on screen.
Hello, everyone.
Sir.
So definitely, you must have seen all these kids, how wonderfully they are solving the cube. And to be very frank, I was not able to even imagine, before 10 days that even I or he can do that, And that's actually a wrong thought because kids can do anything. And thanks to Bhavna madam and Kasat sir, or Smart Brains, to infuse this curiosity and this confidence in these children. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Thank you, beta. Wonderfully
Thank you,
done.
sir.
Welcome, beta.
Teaching us. And मॅम तुम्ही
Yes, beta.
एकदा अजून खूप मुलांना शिकू शकता तुम्ही चांगलं.
Thank you, bachcha. Thank you.
Thank you, beta. Ma'am, next is Tejas. He is there.
Yes, sir. He's there.
Can you unmute him? I've put a spotlight on him. You can unmute him. Please unmute Parth. Parth.
Yes,
Beta, you can start.
yes, sir. My name is Parth. I'm studying in class 4. My age is 9 years old. Today I am going to solve this Rubik cube in front of you.
पार्थ स्टार्ट करें.
Yes, ma'am.
3, 2. Wait बेटा, wait.
मैम मैं shuffle कर रहा हूँ.
Okay.
हाँ मैम, start.
3, 2, 1, start.
I'm done.
3.43 बेटा.
Wow, that was awesome.
उसका एक स्टेप रॉन्ग हो गया था सर, उसने फिर से रिपीट किया.
Wonderful, but he recovered well. Wonderful,
Yes.
beta, wonderful.
Very good, Pat.
Okay, your parent is there, beta?
Yes, sir.
Ask them to come on the screen. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Share your thoughts.
I mean, since he started his class, he's being, playing around with this cube. So that has actually helped us to divert his attention from TV in this lockdown period. So that is a very good sign that I could say. And the other benefit that I could notice is that his concentration level has increased tremendously. So yeah, those are the noticeable benefit that I could see. Thank you, sir, very much for running this show, and thank you, Bhavna ma'am, for taking his class regularly, solving his queries.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you, beta. Enjoyed, Parth?
Bye, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
चलेगा. चलो, bye, beta.
Bye, sir.
Bhavna ma'am,
Yes, sir.
Ira is there. She joined.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Can you unmute her?
Yes, sir. Ira?
Hi,
Yes,
Ira.
ma'am.
You can
Ira,
start
yes,
solving.
Hi, everyone. I'm Ira. I'm 9 years old. I am from Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan. I study in 4th class. Today I will show you how to solve the cube.
Kare beta, start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, start.
Done, ma'am.
1.27 beta. Good.
Wow, that was wonderful. Beta, your mother?
Exactly.
Ma'am, kindly come in front of the screen.
Hi everyone. Congratulations to each one of you. Like I can see all the kids are doing the great job. And you know, it's the example for us also, the way you all are using this lockdown period. And a great thanks to the Smart Brain team, the Kanchat sir and the Bhavna ma'am specifically. She's just a blessing in disguise for me. Like my child is, doing Vedic math, handwriting, then cube solving, then abacus, everything from Bhavna. And she's such a sweet person, so kind, so adjustable all the time. If it is coming towards child is not able to learn or about the timings. I'm so thankful to you, Bhavna. During this lockdown period, I was totally clueless कि हम लोग क्या करें बच्चों के साथ. But Ira is all time busy with her cube, with her handwritings, with math tricks, and I can see my child is turning like a genius. So grateful to you, Smart Brain team. Kudos to all the kids. Happy lockdown period and happy learning with Smart Brain. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Over to you too.
That was so kind of you. Thank you very much.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Sanvi, you are ready, beta? Okay, ma'am. I'll put a focus on Sanvi, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sanvi and I study in class 4. I live in Navi Mumbai. So I'm going to solve this cube in front of you.
Okay, Sanvi.
Okay, beta, carry on.
Can I start?
Yes, ma'am.
3, 2, 1, start.
Science match कर science match. जो मैच करते हैं मैच करते हैं मैच करते हैं Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
3.6, beta. Very good.
Oh, wonderful, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Please ask your parent to come in front.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
ma'am. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. How are you?
Yeah, fine.
Sir,
So
first
feeling
of
great?
all, I would like to thank you, Kaset sir and Bhamna ma'am, for having such an patience.
Sir, come on the
With all
screen.
these kids.
Sir, come on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Sir, we are very proud to see her solving this. She was very nervous, but
Yes.
she tried and she solved it completely.
No, sir, I will take tutorial from Sanvi to get to learn this.
Yeah, that will be great, sir.
Yes,
She
sir.
did one mistake and then she recovered actually.
Yeah. Wonderful.
Yeah, exactly.
Actually, ma'am, in this trying period of COVID, आपके क्यूबिक में काफी help कर दिया, and thanks to Kasar sir and Bhavna ma'am, की such an initiative and keeping patience with kids and students very appreciable and very hardworking though, as they are trying very hard to cope up with their timings. She is very nervous. She always gets wrong at the end. I don't know. She managed it this
She
time.
did quite well, ma'am. She did quite well.
हाँ हाँ
And at
सर
her
वो
age,
बहुत
doing
nervous
this
थी.
live
वो
is
बोल
a
रही
big thing, ma'am. At her age, doing this live is a big thing. No
He is
doubt. All
trying
the
her
kids,
best, sir.
actually all the
हाँ,
kids. सब इतने
Thank you
छोटे-छोटे
very
बच्चे.
much, ma'am.
Yeah, you always
आपके
welcome.
वजह से सीखी वो, नहीं तो नहीं सीखती थी.
Yeah, ma'am.
Thank you,
Damn
sir
smart.
and ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kasat sir and Bhavna ma'am.
Thank you, beta.
Welcome, beta. Thank you.
Proud of you. Thank you very much, ma'am and
Thank you,
sir.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, welcome. Next is here. Here is there live.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Can you unmute her?
कर दिया, sir.
हेलो बेटा.
Hello, sir.
हाँ चलो. क्यूब है तुम्हारा साथ में?
Yes, sir.
Yes, बेटा. Let's start.
Yes. Good evening, all of you. I am Heer Tejpal Elsinghani. I study in DPS. I am in second standard.
Start करें?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
3, 2, 1, start.
Ma'am, done.
2.53, beta.
Wow.
Good.
Awesome, beta. Awesome.
Awesome, really.
That's really good. Can you call your parent, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. Kindly share your thoughts.
Yes, sir. My daughter name is Heer Elsinghani. She is 7 years old. Bhavna, ma'am, explain us so simple and easy matters. She was able to solve 3 by 3 cube very easily within 4 to 5 days. Thank you, ma'am and sir.
Oh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The next is
Oh, ma'am.
Shakti. Welcome,
Sir,
beta.
Sir, Srishti.
Yeah, they joined.
Yeah. Hello, Srishti.
Can you unmute her? I'm not able to unmute her.
Yeah, okay. Good evening.
Good evening, beta.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shishti. I'm in fourth standard. I study in DPS school and I'm in Kuwait. I'm going to show you a full cube.
Okay, beta. 1 second. Bhavna ma'am,
Yes, sir.
she's about to start.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, start.
अभी ये वाली ऑरेंज जल्दी कर इधर का ग्रीन और ऑरेंज मैच इधर 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 पीछे सामने ये ना घुमा उसको ऊपर वाले को ग्रीन और ऑरेंज मैच हाँ फ्रंट में ले फाइन ग्रीन लेफ्ट का लेफ्ट हाँ सही कर
ग्रीन ग्रीन कर ले, ग्रीन ग्रीन ऊपर जो ग्रीन है ना उस ग्रीन की फैमिली से मैच कर। ग्रीन के फैमिली से मैच कर, ऊपर की ग्रीन को मिडल वाला। हाँ हाँ बस बस। अभी लेफ्ट लेफ्ट बैक। एक मिनट से ये ब्लू को ब्लू से मैच कर, ब्लू ब्लू लेफ्ट ये वाला। राइट नहीं 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 ये नहीं ये वाला। हाँ ये ऑरेंज और ब्लू वाला। ये वाला इसको ब्लू से मैच कर। ऑरेंज कौन से साइड में है? लेफ्ट में है, लेफ्ट। रेड को ग्रीन को सामने रख, रेड को लेफ्ट में ले, लेफ्ट। हो गया। हाँ अभी तेरा येलो प्लस भी हो गया। सारी सेल्स घुमा के देखो एक और मैच हो रही है। एक ऊपर का घुमा ना, ऊपर का येलो फैमिली से फैमिली मैच कर। हाँ कितनी मैच हुई? दो हुई है ना। फिफ्थ स्टेप एक मैच सामने रख, एक मैच सामने रख और एक मैच येलो तेरी साइड में सामने है ना।
सर हो गया? सर हो गया?
Wonderful, beta. Wonderful. Ma'am, unmute yourself.
10.44.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
10.44.
Great. Great.
Very good.
Hello, ma'am.
हेलो
हाँ मैम, सर किधर है?
वो कुछ ऑफिस के काम से गए नीचे।
अच्छा, सर को भी सॉल्व करना था ना क्यूब ऑनलाइन?
हाँ बट उनको अभी जाना पड़ा।
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम। अब एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कीजिए मैम।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, थैंक यू सो मच भावना मैम। we were trying to learn these things past 2 years and today it possible just because of you and just because of your formulas. Your formula was very easy and we can understand easily. And see, today Srishti also learn and she solved and just because of her we both learn. So thank you so much Bhavna ma'am and Kasat sir.
That was wonderful, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
You're
ma'am.
always welcome.
Thank you.
Over to you, Bhavna ma'am.
Yes, sir. सब हो गए ना सर?
Yes, yes, all of them are done.
मैं भावना सोनी तहे दिल से आप सभी का शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ। आप लोगों ने जो सपोर्ट किया है ऑनलाइन स्मार्ट ब्रेन क्यूबिक क्लासेस को, मैं आपने हम पे विश्वास रखा और रखकर ज्वाइन किया हमें। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर। आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ ऑल माय चाइल्ड्स who took interest and learned too fast. इसके आगे भी आपके साथ यूं ही बने रहेंगे, सीखना सिखाना चालू रहेगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Bhavna ma'am. Thank you, everyone. You all saw the miracle that everyone in the batch started learning together. And in spite of different age groups, they all completed learning in 10 days together. So it's rightly said that there is no age limit for learning, as few parents also learned the cube along with their children. So you are all welcome to join our next batch.